एक्सरसाइज जो आपको दिया था पिछली बार, क्या क्या रहा उसका आउटपुट? हाउ इज इट?
Okay, it's nice.
क्योंकि पिछली बार मैंने बोला था आप लोगों को कि आप इसको थोड़ा सा और ठीक कीजिए, बिकॉज देयर वाज सर्टेन रिक्वायरमेंट व्हिच वर टू बी मेट इन ऑर्डर टू गेट अ गुड आउटपुट. तो कुछ हुआ उसमें, कुछ काम वाम किया आप लोगों ने? हमेशा यू वर नॉट देयर लास्ट टाइम ना? हाँ ठीक है, बट डिड यू सी द रिकॉर्डिंग एंड ऑल? पता लगा कुछ? नव्या? Okay, so let's start with the ओके जी. तो आज हम क्या करने जाएंगे? टुडे वी विल बी अगेन, इट्स काइंड ऑफ एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द सेम व्हिच वी वर डूइंग अर्लियर. ठीक है, व्हाट वी हैव डन अर्लियर. एनी आइडिया क्या क्या किया अभी? अगर मैं बोलूं समथिंग व्हिच गॉट टू डू विद द, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट the initial exercises, I'm talking about say the recent last 3 exercises. So can anyone tell me about what is it? Aarti? आरती, शिल्पा, कोई भी बता दीजिए.
Last was about poster design, which already has all this elements of design and principles of design, which the poster is based on. So I think all this, whatever is on the screen about the composition and all, we have to do all these things in the design itself whenever we are designing anything. So it's in the all of the, it's already done. Like even in the flower assignment, there was a geometry, which is also a part of elements and principles. So whatever assignments you give, it is a study about all basic things where we start from.
Okay, so basically if I talk about like last few exercises for last few classes, what we are getting some kind of a principles, we are getting in some kind of methodology of the design, right? Some visual references, some unsung rules, okay, which are there, which are not there, we need to pick them up, we need to extract those rules and then put them together. So they're like everything has got some kind of a structure, right? So references, structure, there are a number of things. So what is it leading towards? If you say, if all these things, they are leading towards our sensitivity. Okay, how much are we sensitive towards the design part, or if it is not the design only, just I would say the sensitivity towards any kind of a pattern, geometry, so many aspects, color, shape, form, all these things put together is making some kind of a language. Okay, visual language, or uh, either you are the onlooker. Okay, mostly you are the onlooker, you are looking at something. But now this particular, maybe for 2 to 3 classes, okay, 3 or maybe 4 classes rather, okay, 3 to 4 classes approximately, these classes will be mostly where you are not only just the onlooker, you are a part of the design. Okay, now what exactly does it mean? I will tell you. See, today I will be telling you something about that whatever we are doing, okay, whatever we have done so far, it is mostly got to do with the 2D or two-dimensional. I mean, something, there is a surface, okay, and we are drawing something on top of it, okay, which has got some pattern, some emphasis, some movements, pattern, rhythm, basically line, shape, everything, you texture, you just name it. It was a kind of a composition which we were doing all throughout, okay, whether be it in the geometrical part, okay, or be it in the organic part, everywhere we were trying to make some kind of a visual connection, right? Now this class onwards, I mean, this will be more or less, I mean, it will be more got to do with the space, okay, the elements, the composition which we have done, that was on this paper itself, but now it is going to be on the composition in the 3D, in the 3D formation, which means it is about the space. So what is it? If I talk about I mean, If I talk about the architecture, what is it? Exhibition design, retail design, anything which has got some kind of a three dimensionality, which means the third dimension which has been added into it, so called the height. So what is again happening there? It is nothing but just again having the same principles put together. It's an organization of the elements in the space, but that is in the three-dimensional form. Do you agree with me all? Because so far, what we had done the composition in the space again, but that was a two-dimensional space, which is like length and the width, correct? Be it color or whatever, everything. But now what we are giving, there is one more dimension which is getting added, so-called the height. So now it becomes like a box. It is a cube. So if you remember, like the one which we had started earlier as our exercises. So the one very essential exercise was study of cube, right? So this cube is the, I would say this is the key for doing any kind of space visualization. Cube is the key. Simple as that. I told you, no, that I mean, every object in the universe gets comprises of or within the cube. I told you, like basic unit happens to be the cube. So this is the time when when I'm saying, so when I'm saying object means what object is, it means it is a form, it's not a shape. So the moment I said shape, it means it has got three dimensions, length, width, and the height. So the moment I said three dimensions, which means it is a cube. And that precisely I said that in this exercise is going onward, I will be having the cube as the basic or the fundamental unit with which we will be working on. Okay. So anyway, we'll go about it till later. Okay, so what I'm going to talk about is the composition again. Okay, so but the basic form, I mean, the basic DNA remains the composition only. Starts from the 2D and then it gets onto the 3D. Okay, if you ask any architect, okay, or you ask any of the interior designer or whosoever the person is, they will always share with you the first plan view, okay, the layout. Not only they will, but you will ask them. The reason, because from the top view, you would like to see everything in totality, that where all the composition are coming, then you will have a walkthrough, okay, of the each and every corner and the areas as per the uh, your camera direction, right, or the as per the your visual direction, right? So so what is happening here again, there is a process which is which is taking place out here. That process happens to be that we are first doing the composition on the paper on the 2D, and then we are lifting it up or giving an elevation to it and taking it to the three dimensionality, okay, and which creates a space, right? So let's talk about the composition. It's very clearly written out there. It is the term which is used to it is to describe the arrangement of the visual elements. I told you about that. Okay, it is not only just in the artwork, design, whatever. So it is just a visual arrangement of the elements which are used in the design. So be it line, shape, color, pattern, texture, form, and the space. And then after that, in what manner it will be going in the manner of pattern, rhythm, movement, which are like few principles of designs, which we, uh, 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 I mean, they will get integrated with design principles. And the Gestalt theory, definitely, that is also cannot be in the isolation. They go hand to hand together. And basis on all these, what we get, we achieve some desired result, we achieve some interesting pattern, we achieve some interesting prototype or the product or whatever, or an object, whatever, okay, a space, everything, right? Okay, good. Where is everyone? Have how many people are there? I mean, I can see only 5 of us. Just are there some more people joined? Yes, good. Hmm. Good. Please in between you can keep nodding, huh? Yes or kuch bol dena, so that it's like a feedback which I'm getting that okay, someone is listening to me. Otherwise, it feels like that I'm in the air speaking. Okay, so which will take me to the senile stage, but which I'm not yet. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you very much. Thank you, Sarika ma'am. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is okay. So as I said, that what we are going to do, I mean, what we are doing, we are taking the shape. I mean, we are taking some kind of shapes, okay, and few elements, and then we put them together on the paper. And with the treatment itself, it starts behaving in a little different manner. Like if I give you an example, like if you see on the left hand side, there are three shapes which is in the pink color, very basic shapes, very basic shapes. They are just put together maybe randomly, maybe with in uh, alignment of something, I don't know, it's just put there, okay. But if you see on the right hand side, there is the same, I mean, these shapes which are there, if you see these shapes, they are randomly put together, they are cut and they put together. But while they are put randomly, still they seem to be having some kind of a order. Getting a point? So still you will see some kind of a order out here. When I'm saying order means, if you see this this line, it is law of continuity is happening. Can you see my cursor, which is hovering on top of it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is happening? I mean, if you see, this is one individual shape, this is another individual shape. But the way they have been put together, they have been put in such a way that our eyes are following a very simple path, and it is going in the same direction. Now let's talk about it. Proximity. When I talk about the proximity, immediately these two, they become one group. Okay. And then when I say something like a balance, then what is happening if all these things are there, which is a very heavy on the left hand side, just to counterbalance, one small element has been put out here. So that's showing the balance also, right? And then this has got some kind of a relevance, which is like going along with the symmetry. Okay. So, I mean, there are number, like you are having different principles out here, and then which you, since you are not now exposed and since you have worked on it, so you would be able to not only see, but you will be able to create also through the elements on the surface. Now, as I said, the treatment, how much it matters. So something which is like what was happening here. It is like black color. If you consider this black color as a negative space, okay, if you consider this as a negative space, and suddenly on the right hand side, what is happening? This black color appears to be the negative space, and this the one which was white, that appears to be the positive space. Now, these are very relevant terms, which is positive and which is negative. Very relevant. The moment you say something is positive, the next one, the other becomes the negative. Okay. But see the behavior, what is happening, the left one and the right one. Why left one is looking so still somewhat more compact? The reason, because there is some sense of closure which is coming there in the left one. There's some sense of closure because we are having that black border is kind of a closure. Okay, so that's a perception which we already have, our so-called the cognitive psychology of the human behavior. So that's what it is. And based on the same, we are having these two images, just the treatment of the color which has been changed, same shape, same everything, but it is behaving differently visually. Now see what happens. Again, you play with the shape. It's just part of the composition, nothing else. Just a simple where the color is taking place as a main hero, okay? Or there is some negative, how you are treating with the negative and the positive space, where the overlapping is happening. All these you are putting together. It is nothing just to create some kind of a composition. And especially people who are in the fashion FD, they know what is the significance of this, like for the surface treatment and maybe for some kind of print design and all. Okay, so that's where it gets. I mean, it gets integrated very well. This kind of sensitization of having the composition, right? Okay. Now, this exercise, if I say, this exercise will be, if you see very closely, what is happening? There are there are only basic shapes which have been used out here. And this on the left hand side, if you see, or like all the composition which you see as 12 compositions, okay, they are having basic shapes and they are overlapping, they are put together, they are intersecting with each other. And the way, the moment you are putting the colors, okay, how it is behaving. Color is simple black and white. That's it. There's no color. If you say these are like two neutral colors or two solid colors, if you say so, okay, if you consider those as colors. So how every composition is making some sense, right? Do you agree with me? Say, if you say agree, then say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
Thank you very much. Okay. Now you see this image. Now you see this image. What is happening here? Again, some triangle is here. Triangle is here, and then triangle has got some rectangle on top of it overlapping. So as I said earlier, why is it again saying that? Isn't it funny or isn't it very bizarre that I'm saying it's as a rectangle? But is it really a rectangle? What makes you say so? It is not a
Just square.
rectangle. No,
Just
sorry, sorry, it is not a square. It is actually not a square. But I'm still saying square, and you are also saying yes to this. Why? Again, the same thing. See, can you see that? It is not a square. It is a shape. It is an individual shape. And this is one individual shape completely. Triangle which has been cut like this shape. But still, I'm saying that this is a square which is overlapping. So what is happening? So there is a Gestalt theory, which is again getting integrated out here, that our human eye always tend to see the simplest path, law of continuity, law of closure, because our eyes would like to see everything in closure in a compact manner, right?
Yes, sir.
So basis on these, like some few simple images, shapes, which is like triangle, circle, square or rectangle, whatever it is. Okay, so these some compositions have been created, and I mean, they give some kind of a substance to it, to your creation. Okay, otherwise merely putting 2 lines, 3 lines, it might give some kind of a composition, but to make it more alive, if you do this kind of treatment onto it, okay, surface ornamentation, so it goes into something else. Then I mean, it has got its some own language to describe its own shape, and it has got some kind of communication or some kind of a story behind, okay, to look into. Now if you look at the right one, what is happening here in this case? Again, it is nothing, just a simple shapes which are overlapping, put together, adjacent to each other, treated either with a texture or with a color or with some or just left the way it is. So if you see, I mean, isn't it the right one is looking very interesting? It looks like a painting, some kind of an artwork. But if you see how it has been created, it has been created just by putting simple organic or either organic or some kind of a geometrical shapes. It is just a collage. It is just a combination the way it has been put together. And it is trying to give some kind of a balance to our eyes, the way gray have been used on various places, the way black color black has been used at different places, and the way there are some negative space which have been left just like that. So if you see very carefully on the left and on the right hand side, both the compositions, both of them are composition. But on the left, it is more structured because it has got a geometrical shapes. Right one has got geometrical, yet it looks more fluid as compared to the left side. The reason curves are introduced here and the circle is getting somewhere integrated visually with the curves, right? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
ठीक है, thank you. Now let's have a look into the next one. What is happening here? Now on the left hand side, we saw the solid color, which is black and white, and on the right hand side, what we have seen is the the gray into it. Okay, so there is a third color which is added into it, or third identity, I would say rather. Okay, so third entity got added and it has started taking a different shape, behaving a little differently. Now let's talk about what happens when you go to this slide. Again, the same shape, some organic shape, just a line. Okay, that line itself is traveling in the space on the left hand side. Just if you see very carefully, it is just one line going up, down, here and there, and you can have a straight line, whichever way. So basically, it is just a line. So there is no thought process of the line where it is going to be put together. But yes, the thought process is coming where the element which have been emerged out of it, the shapes which have been emerged with the cross section, with the intersection of the lines. Okay, some delta which has been produced. How we are going to treat those deltas, right? If you see, like this is a very thin island kind of a formation which had happened here, and suddenly I just put one color and it has taken one shape. It has been given some kind of a volume. Similarly, the way there was one, like it has got 1, 2, 3 elements. It could have been blue completely, but no, it will not create that kind of a sensation or some kind of a interest to look at. So precisely the reason these colors have been used out here as an introduction of the colors. Subtle colors, nice color. This is suddenly like two colors are jumping up, one this color and this color, remaining all kind of a very uh, kind of a cool color, subtle color. So you can't miss now, at least in the entire composition, you can't miss yellow and the red. Especially yellow to you definitely cannot miss. Right? Similarly, if you see on the right hand side, this image which you see, again, some texture which has been given out here, right? Some gradient which have been introduced, but again, doing what? Creating the interest for someone to look at how this curve has gone down, how it has come down, and wherever the intersection is happening, and you are going to see this kind of a pattern, how it is going to go down, and the line which underneath like this, which you see, is left white. So you are bound to see that there's some kind of a continuation. It is not just getting ended here itself. So there is what I feel from this entire painting, which is my subjective comprehension, that I get to see the movement, I get to see the dynamism out here. So there is some kind of a continuation, there is a flow. It is not static. Even if this line, which seems to be static, I still would say it is going from left side, starting somewhere in the space and going out somewhere in the space. Right? Okay, now if you talk about the one which is on the right hand side, what is happening here? This is something like an overlapping. Do you agree with me if you look at it? It seems like an overlap.
Yes, yes, sir.
It looks like as if there are some circles which are underneath, and on top of it there will be a grid kind of a stuff which has got some colorful glasses, and underneath the circle also has got some kind of a color. So with the overlap, there is some kind of a interaction of the color is happening, and which is giving you this kind of a formation, right? So that is a very subjective comprehension. That is my comprehension. You can have your own comprehension, but by end of the day, what exactly this comprehension is leading us unconsciously to, or forcing us unconsciously to look at, is so-called composition. Okay, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
yeah, yes, sir.
Great. Again, we were talking about same. We have already gone through these, color, pattern, lines, contrast, shape, movements, and all. So, as I said, like we are doing it. We have been doing it. In fact, जब से हम पैदा हुए हैं, तब से हम ये सारी चीजें देख रहे हैं लाइफ में. We have been doing it. We have been looking at all these things, but now we are looking at all these things a little more carefully now, because we have been made sensitized either by the environment or by the people around or the circumstances. Okay, the circumstances is like you have to attend these classes. So these are circumstances. क्या कर सकते हैं? अब तो sensitize करना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Anyways, so basically, if you see in this case, what is happening on the right hand side, so you get to see some kind of pattern. Definitely, there is some pattern which is emerging. The way color contrast has been generated there, the way some kind of movement is also there. Lines are definitely there, you can see. Okay, so I mean, put together almost everything you get to see on the right hand side, which is on the left hand side. Almost more or less, you get to see all. Again, doing what? Composition. Take it. Okay, now. So basis on this, what today we will be doing, okay? This composition, as I spoke about, this composition, we will take it forward, okay? We will start off with the composition itself on the paper, okay? And then we will take it to the next, the third dimension, okay? Now, before taking this forward, I would like, is there some ID faculty out here, interior design faculty? Are there any? Okay, Jasween is there. Okay, Jasween, you are to, ma'am, you are always out of these questions. No, you are not there. ठीक है? वो अपने आप में by default लगा लो, it is not for you. Any question is not for you. Okay. Next बताओ. Is there anyone else? ठीक है. You can unmute yourself, yeah, while doing, because it's very difficult for me to look into. ठीक है. Okay, so Swarnima, you are from ID. No, who's from ID?
No, I'm sir FD.
So who's ID? ID se kaun hai? Aarti, you are from ID? Sarika is from ID. And
Yes.
who else is from ID?
Nisha is from ID and
I'm from ID.
Where is Misha?
from ID.
Sir,
There you are. अच्छा छुप के बैठी हुई है, हेलो तो करो, तभी तो पता लगेगा कि you are the one. I do not even know. ठीक है? And who else is there? Okay, ये इधर
I am also.
ये I am कौन है? एक मिनट, I need Surbi, but where is Surbi? I can't see Surbi. Surbi, Misha तो देखिए मेरे को. Where is Surbi? Pratibha, Surbi. Why I don't see on my these whatever. I just want to understand for my understanding. To the students, when we have to talk to them about the space, what do we do? How do we take it forward with them? Like कैसे करते हैं उनको? How do we sensitize them with the space? मैं process थोड़ा जानना चाहता हूँ. Anyone, either Surbi, Misha, whoever wants to tell me.
So normally when we introduce space to students, we ask them to play with geometric shapes. So what I normally do is I ask them to make a cube by taking paper.
Okay.
So they make that cross. So I just guide them ki when you make a 3D of a cube, how how the plan has been made, how it's, that particular object have height. So this is how we just play with shapes and tell them.
Okay. Surbhi, Misha wants some kind of an affirmation from your side. Okay. Surbhi, I think you need to speak now.
Sir, actually, I'm taking service subjects. So practically, मेरे हिसाब से जैसे स्पेस प्लानिंग करनी है अगर किसी चीज की, तो हम बच्चों को पहले मेन फंडामेंटल क्लियर करते हैं कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर हम व्यू करेंगे तो प्लान में क्या शेप रहेगा, फ्रंट एलिवेशन एंड साइड एलिवेशन, उनको हम व्यू का पूरा क्लियर पहले करते हैं, देन हम कंपोजिशन में उनको प्ले करने को बोलते हैं.
Sir,
Okay. Okay.
one more thing I want to add. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Sarika, please carry on. I can hear you.
Sir, when we give one space, vacant space interior के लिए, तो सबसे मेन तो डायमेंशंस, जो भी फर्नीचर डायमेंशंस है, वो जो स्टैंडर्ड डायमेंशंस है, वो उनको पहले क्लियर करते हैं कि क्या होते हैं, और रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ दैट स्पेस, मेन रिक्वायरमेंट एंड क्या है वो स्पेस की, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली देन वो अरेंज द स्पेस, लेआउट करते हैं स्पेस का.
Okay. ठीक है.
Sir, with negative and positive spaces, means circulation space and furniture space.
Okay. ठीक है. ठीक है. तो मैं I was very much in the same line, of thoughts कि ऐसे ही शायद कुछ हो रहा होगा जो मुझे लग रहा था. ठीक है. But यहाँ पे मेरा जो fundamental है, see, that's what I'm telling you, why this foundation is so important, all of you, to actually get into it, and think over it. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि एक बच्चा जो आ रहा है, एक जो कैंडिडेट जो आ रहा है अभी, उसको you do not know what his or her strength or the weaknesses are, number one, पहली चीज. ठीक है. That student must have opted for the FD. Okay, but over the period you realize that this person does not actually belong to FD, he belongs to ID. आपको as a mentor उसको ये बताना जरूरी है कि बच्चे आप जो है इसमें ज्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाओगे, because that's where your strength lies. ठीक है ना? And वो कैसे होगा? That will be happening only with the certain tools which are introduced in the foundation. And basis on those tools and the outcome, before you, the student himself or herself will be able to evaluate his or her own potential and can take the correct decision. Right? So अभी हम क्या करते हैं कि जैसे ही वो आता है बच्चा, जैसे एक स्टूडेंट आता है, हम उसको सबसे पहले एक प्लान व्यू, फ्रंट व्यू, टॉप व्यू बताते हैं, फिर सीधा मतलब एक इमीडिएटली उसके ऊपर चले जाते हैं, डायमेंशंस बता देते हैं. ये तो मुझे ये जो मैंने जो एक्सरसाइज वाला जो किया, जो मैं आपके लिए कर रहा हूँ यार एक्सरसाइज, व्हाट इज इट इज बेसिकली मेनली गॉट टू डू फॉर द आईडी पीपल. However, the same will be applied for the FD also. You can pick, there are some areas which you will be picking from here, but it is mainly for the ID. That what is the process with which we elevate things. एक process. अब आप सीधा उनको बताएंगे फ्रंट है, टॉप है, व्यू है, ऐसे नहीं. एक ये जो होता है ना, टॉप व्यू, फ्रंट व्यू, साइड व्यू, these are the secondary part. The first part happens to be this in the Gestalt theory. There was one. You see the objects in totality. आप सबसे पहले हाथी को देखते हैं, उसके बाद उसकी eyes को, ear को, and then you get into the various like the respective shapes and the detailings. So our job is to give the overall picture first. Let him or her play with the overall thing. Gradually get immersed into the space, get accustomed to the space, get comfortable with the space, and then talk about front view, side view, and the top view. And what is the benchmark for the same? Fiddling around on the paper, on the ground, on the paper itself, in the 2D surface, and then giving the elevation to it. And this exercise has been crafted keeping the same in the mind. So it will be easier for you. It will be easier for the student, at least even if you are giving this exercise, keeping this for the module of say 15 days, believe me, the kind of results you will be getting, and immediately you will be able to check the potential of the student. Okay. So I'm good taking it layer by layer and step by step. So the first one happens to be that आपको कैसे करना है ये. This is the one. So this is the exercise which you people will be submitting, okay, to me. That will be on Monday, I guess. Very simple exercise. कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है इसके अंदर. आप इसे मैंने 3 चीजों को ऐड. See, you will be making 6 sheet. You already have done that more or less. एक already आपने कर चुके हैं थोड़ा बहुत. But I'm again emphasizing on to the same. You take 3 shapes. Okay, 3 basic shapes. One will be a curve. Okay. Second will be a circle. Either it is a part or it's a complete circle. You can have 1/4, you can have half, semicircle, you can have 3/4, or you can have complete circle, whichever. Size, shape, all doesn't matter. One rectangle. Rectangle can be, I mean, you can have the square, okay, or you can have rectangle. All right. So 3 basic shapes which you are taking: curve, circle, rectangle, and initial letter of your name. Like Surabhi, she will have S. Okay. So Sarika will have S, Misha will have M. Okay, or INFID fashion will have I. Okay. So like all this. ठीक है. So आप ये लेंगे. ठीक है. Now what you need to do, you have total, instead of making 6, make it as a 4. I will give it to you as a 4. Okay, just make it 4, not 6. If you can do 6, I will be really happy. Okay, but 4 तो मुझे कम से कम चाहिए. If you can make 6, nothing like it. Size A5.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Within the A5 sheet, having the border left of around say 20 mm on all sides, 20 mm. Yep, 20 mm, A5. And on one A5 sheet, you will have one composition. So total, I need at least 4. 6 someone does, I will be really happy. So look for 6 rather than 4. 4 is for those people कि मेरे को आज ये परेशानी है, वो परेशानी है, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, ये उनके लिए. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Great. So this is one. And composition you will be doing how? In the similar manner, the way it has been shown up there. So first putting the pencils. With the pencil, you start, you do it. Then आपको कैसे उसको एक compose करना है? Okay, कैसे उसको बनाना है? And please, for God's sake, no sketch pen. Or no A5, what is it called? 2B or 4B pencil. No. Please, solid ink, either poster color or the solid ink, whichever, so that one can see the clear contrast. Okay? Can I take this promise from all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. ठीक है. अरे बात, थैंक यू निशा, क्या बात है. हाँ, मतलब अंगूठा दिखा रहे हो मुझे. हाँ, अबे जाओ, यही मतलब है. हम बच्चों में करते थे ना, अंगूठा दिखा, नहीं करना. Anyway, I hope it is not leading in the same direction. No, no? Great. Thanks, Misha. Great. Okay. Then the second exercise happens to be click 5 objects. Okay, 5 कोई भी object है, any 5 objects. Okay, like I've got this object with me. It's one object. From this, it goes up to fridge. Okay, but try not to be so escapist route, having so escapist route कि मेरे चारों तरफ के हाँ इस टेबल के ऊपर मेरे को ये भी दिख गया, क्लास भी दिख गया, ये भी दिख गया, ठीक है, ये भी दिख गया, फोन भी दिख गया, हो गए मेरे 5 हो गए, बस बस खत्म. ऐसे मत करना प्लीज, ऐसे मत करना. Okay, just have a look around in the space, okay, in your house, room, जो भी है, and see there are 5 objects. Okay, so one can be maybe itself, like your, maybe this is one object, but at the same time I will have my crockery, this cupboard. Okay, so this one is my another object, and right next to it is my fridge. So there's my third object. A chair which is right there. Okay, that is my 4th object. Bed is another object. Okay, so once you do that, you need to give the dimension to these objects. Put a photograph. On the photograph, give the dimension: height, length, and width. Okay, all these should be in mm. Now that's tricky. When I'm saying it all should be in ID people, what is the dimension which you take? On what dimensions the student they work?
That in both feet and inches and metrics.
Okay, metrics. Survi, you want to say something?
Inches.
Feet and inches. Okay, Misha.
Sir, both.
Both. Okay. So, okay. So I will tell you something very interesting, very important for the visualization. I'm underlining. For the visualization, you can take the feet and inches. Okay, but while you have to submit your document to someone, so as a professional, it always goes in the meters, that unit, not in the feet and inches. In the feet and inches, where it gets submitted, it usually gets submitted to the people who are like mistris, who are carpenters. Okay, those like people who are the civil guys, mistris and all, because they understand in the feet and inches. They are more comfortable with that. So that time we do the conversion. But when you are giving a client presentation, or you are asking a student to make the professional project or assignment, you need to have this as a unit, not feet and inches. No, just never put it onto the paper as a formal outcome. Take it, Surabhi?
Okay, sir.
Take it. So just do the practice of it. So when I said like these 5 objects, okay, these 5 objects you will be making, you will be doing the dimension of it. Okay, and then one room which you will be doing, any of the room, okay, maybe whichever room you are sitting at. So I'm not saying that you need to get into the ladder लेके उसकी छत पे आप चढ़ रहे हो. No, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, because वो कुछ कर पाएंगे, कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, so there's well, I'm not putting you in the danger. So what you need to do, at least जो bottom का जो length and width है, that you need to do. Okay, and जो height है, height भी किया जा सकता है if you have got the inch tape or that what is it called, that measuring tape. Okay, आप उसको लेके कर सकते हैं. It's not the case. You can do it. Okay, but I'm saying don't keep yourself. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सर मैं ऊपर चढ़ रही थी और मेरा पैर फिसल गया और फिर पैर ही फिसल गया और मैं I'm on the bed now. आपने बेड को मेजर करने के लिए बोला था. Now I'm measuring it very nicely. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, so that's not the intention out here. So length, width and height of the room, one room, and 5 objects, smaller to bigger, and all of them will be in the Clear? Okay. Now, when I'm saying so, what is the reason? Can someone tell me what is the outcome? I mean, what exactly I want to do with this? Why?
We will observe our space first,
Okay.
and then students can learn about the space planning.
Okay, you're going in a correct direction, but right now you think that I mean, first of all, we need to understand the objective of these exercises, okay, and throughout which we'll be taking for next 2 to 3 classes. Idea is that we need to unfold the space first. First of all, we understand the space, because there is one more dimension which is getting added into it, which is height. So far, while we are doing anything on the 2D surface, that time what happens, we are on the 2D surface, we are outsider, we are the onlooker. But the moment we get inside the space, then we are immersing ourselves, then becomes the immersive space. You are now within the space. Earlier you are outside the space while it is in 2D. Now you're, what is it? This room house is a space only, right? Exhibition is a space. Interiors is a space. Retail store is a space. So it behaves differently in all possible manner. So what happens first? We are taking the dimension of this of our room, one of the room, okay, width, height, and everything, and put the doors as well in that if you can. Okay, put the doors, and then you need to do the 5 objects, okay, and the dimension which is on the photograph. So you have got a photograph of the objects which you clicked and you put the dimension to it. That is the simplest task in the world, right? Second task is your room. You are sitting inside the room. You are sitting inside the room, right? And you are taking first the dimension from inside, height, width, and length. Lelia, take it. You are putting your doors also. Take it. You have made a sketch. Now this entire room need to be shown to me in 3D with your sketch. I've told you, मैंने आपको क्यूब सिखाया हुआ है. तो two point perspective पता है ना क्या होता है, right? So there's a perspective which is going 2 point. So in 2 point perspective, okay, you need to show me your room. बहुत simple, basic है. Length, width, and height, and then you are having the what? You are having the doors. It is the simplest. You have done the orthography as well. You have done the axonometry as well, right? You have done all these. Isometric you have done.
Yeah.
So I don't. Tell me.
So only the empty room, or you want all the objects also inside the room in the 2 point perspective, what we are going to show, or just the empty room with the doors and windows?
This is the bare minimum which I want.
Okay.
Okay, if you can add some beams into it, I would be really loving it if you are having the beams inside. Okay, and if you say that I'm having one maybe a bed also which is there. Okay, I really don't mind. Okay, and it is like a glass room. It's made out of glass. Okay, so which means you get to see inside. It's like that. So you are outside. You are seeing from the bird eye view. Okay, you understood?
Okay.
Misha, am I
In short,
right?
in short, we can also make a isometric view also, no? So it will be like everything is different properly.
So I'm asking you to make the isometric view only, which is isometric view happens to be, which I'm telling you, which is 2 point perspective, okay, which is with the bird eye view.
Okay.
If you see, I could have asked you to make with the worm eye view as well, okay, which is from the bottom, but I think that is not required as of now. That you can do it when you have got a lot of proficiency in the same and a lot of practice, okay, that you can do it. Not that one cannot do it, but let it be as of now. For the visualization, the best always happens to be the bird eye view, 2 point perspective, isometric, your, what is it called, perspective. Okay, so I expect ID people really to be showing their skills in this. Okay, right? And FD people, you can have only the empty room if you want to. That is okay. That's okay with me. But I would say stretch yourself. Stretch yourself. Okay.
So now we just repeat this homework.
Okay.
One empty space. Okay.
Okay.
And 5
So-
objects.
Okay.
Each
So,
object one.
no, just a minute. Exercise 1 is clear or not? Exercise 1. No. Sandra, I can't understand what is this. Is it yes or is it no? Because it is in the diagonal manner. What is it? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Exercise 1 is clear.
91.
Okay. Okay. Exercise 1 is clear. Great. Okay. So now let's talk about the exercise number 2. Part 1 of the exercise number 2. Part 1 is you have got, don't you worry, I will just make a PDF of the same. I will send it across to you in the group. Okay. So there will not be any kind of confusion, but before that, I will explain it to you. What is it? Okay. Exercise number 2, part 1, part A. Okay. Which happens to be 5 objects which you need to take. Okay. In the house, 5 objects. 5 objects, which is from smaller to bigger. Not all of them are of the same nature, because I knew that the moment I say, Misha was very happy. Chalo mere, she was looking around. हाँ, मिल गई, पांचों मेरे को मिल गई यहीं पे. है ना, Misha ऐसे ही था ना? नहीं था? I'm just kidding. Anyways, ठीक है. So basically, क्या है? That's what I said. 5 objects up. It can be from here. Okay, from like small, maybe from the mobile itself. Okay, starting from your this, and it goes up to your fridge, bed, some kind of your almiras. Okay, all these are there. So there are 5 of them. Television, matter of fact. Okay, so that all 5. Or if you want to have something else, you can put it together. 5. Okay, which has got dimensions. Click the photograph. Click the photograph in such a way that I get to see the height, width, and the length. Okay. Take it, na? Okay. Now, so it is easy, and all these dimension will be in mm. Clear? Okay. Second, part B of the same exercise, which is number 2. Part B happens to be that you take the dimension of a room, which is, I mean, your room, whichever, maybe it's your bedroom or drawing room or study room, whichever room. You have taken the dimension from inside. Fine, that's okay. Like height, width, and length you have already taken. It might be having a window, or it will be having a door also, right? I'm sure in one room you will be having window and door both, correct? Take the dimension of the door and the window, correct? And you know very well where it is coming now. Okay. Now you put it together. Okay, this thing, visualize in such a way that it is being shown to me as a perspective. You know what perspective is, right? 2-point perspective. And which is with the bird's eye view. Like there's a horizontal line, and then 2 of them are going in the vanishing point,
Yes.
and then you have got, tops, both the sides are seen. So this is your room. Like a cube, exactly. Okay, like a cube. So now this cube will not remain the cube. It will become cuboid in your case. If it is the same dimensions, then it will be cube. Otherwise, it's cuboid. Some will have smaller, some will have bigger rooms, whichever way, length and width. It will be keep on changing. Then you add the windows and the doors into it. Then as Aarti very enthusiastically, she said, can we add some more elements? I would love to see those. Believe me. Okay? And if you want to add some beams and the columns into it, which is already there or it is not there, I do not know, you can add that also. Okay? But the basic furniture, if you at least put some kind of bed, it will be really great. ठीक है? Or shall I make this little complex for you people? I think, is it good enough?
Yes, good enough.
Okay. So Surbi, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Sarika ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Great. ठीक है. Misha,
तो रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं क्या?
क्या कर सकते हैं? रिक्वेस्ट किस चीज की?
हाँ.
हाँ बोलो.
दिस सैटरडे संडेज अष्टमी नवमी और संडेज दशहरा, तो ये 2 एक्सरसाइज हो गई, थोड़ा पोस्टपोन हो सकता है क्या?
ये जो मेरे इसमें जो दिख रहा है ना, सबसे ऊपर लेफ्ट में टॉप में एक बैठे हुए एक शख्स, उनसे जरा बात कीजिए, जो ऐसे कर रहे हैं अपने हाथ से, उनसे बात कीजिए, वो बताएंगे.
है कि मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बस दशहरा विशहरा क्या करना है, रावण बना के जलाना है, क्या करना है?
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ यार, पूरी जिंदगी आप कोई
Sir, it is, we can divide it, first exercise on Monday and the second exercise on Friday.
आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, एक सेकंड, मैं आपके सामने करता हूँ, मुझे बताइए ये जो एक्सरसाइज है, जो पहली वाली है, फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक? एक्चुअली टेल मी, हाउ लॉन्ग डू यू थिंक इट विल टेक? ओके, लेट्स सी. सारिका, आप बताइए, because I'm telling you, then you cannot expect out of students. I'm telling you कि आप ये करके दो, वो करके दो.
बस थिंकिंग प्रोसेस के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बाकी तो हो जाता है.
मैडम जी, आप मुझे ये बताइए, फर्स्ट वाली जो एक्सरसाइज
Sheets
है,
है ना,
ओके,
sir?
हाँ, जो शीट्स वाला है, ठीक है, जो शीट्स वाला है, जो मैंने 4 बताया, उसके अंदर 4 कॉम्पोजिशन, 4 मैंने बोला है ना उसमें. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
4 composition. Yes.
मैंने 4 बोला है. इफ समवन, जैसे मिशा इज वेरी एंथुसियास्टिक, शी सेड आई विल मेक 6 शीट्स. इट्स ओके, आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट. ठीक है, जो उसने पहले वाला एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 है, ठीक है, सो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट. ओके, सुरभि इज सेइंग कि आई विल मेक 4, लेकिन अगर आप बोलोगे तो 5 तो कम से कम बना के ही दूंगी आपको. सो आई विल सी, कहीं तो मेरे को ये कुछ तो डिफरेंशिएशन देने दो ना, कि आप एफडी से हो और आप आईडी से हो. अगर आईडी वाले एफडी वालों की तरह करेंगे, जो कि एफडी वाले खुद बोल रहे हैं 4 तो हम कम से कम बनाएंगे, और तो आईडी वाले जो है वो सिर्फ 4 ही बनाएंगे, उनको तो 6 बनाना चाहिए. क्या बात कर रहे हैं यार आप, ऐसे मत करो प्लीज. और कुछ नहीं करना आपको, स्केल आपके पास है, बेसिक मैं आपको शेप दे रहा हूँ, उसमें कुछ एक कर्व आपको डालना है. ठीक है, आपने कर्व डाल दिया, आपने पेन और लिया कलर, वो भी ब्लैक वाला, और करते चले गए. क्या है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बताओ कितना टाइम लगा उसमें? दिस इज 1. सेकंड वाला जो है आपका, सेकंड इज 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स को क्लिक करना है. मुझे लगता है शायद क्लिक करने में आई थिंक इट विल टेक हार्डली 3 to 4 मिनट्स. अगर देखो, मेरा तो बहुत छोटा सा घर है, ठीक है, लेकिन जिसका अगर कोई थोड़ा बहुत बड़ा महल टाइप का है, तो उसको भी मेरे को करने में शायद 5 मिनट में तो हो ही जाएगा वो उसको. हाँ, राइट. तो मैं तो कवर कर लूंगा अपने घर को. ठीक है, 2 मिनट में मैं कवर कर लेता हूँ, जिसमें आई कैन क्लिक 5 फोटोग्राफ्स. आपके पास मेजरिंग स्केल पड़ा हुआ है, उठाया, उसको लिया, 5 फोटोग्राफ्स को पीपीटी में डाला, आपके पास लिखी हुई मेजरमेंट्स डाल दिया उसके अंदर. फ्लैट 15 मिनट्स, नॉट मोर देन दैट. ठीक है, हो गया आपकी ये 2 एक्सरसाइजेस जो है, इट विल नॉट टेक टाइम. थर्ड एक्सरसाइज जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, विच इज ऑफ योर रूम वाला, उसमें देयर माइट बी अ प्रॉब्लम विद द पीपल फॉर मेकिंग द पर्सपेक्टिव. There might be a problem. Reason why I'm saying, because fashion people, they are also accustomed of working on the 2D surface. तो उनके लिए उसमें इशू नहीं है. 3D वाले में उनको थोड़ा सा इशू हो सकता है, which I am thinking, हो सकता है I'm wrong.
Sir.
बोलिए आरती.
So can I show you something so my confusion will get a little bit clearer, because I have
Absolutely.
already given
Please.
one of these type of assignments to the foundation batch, okay, on based on perspective. So they had to create a room of their home, like this only what you said. So they are going to create 2-point perspective designs in a visualization of like they're watching their room or the hall or anything, and they need to show me the perspective drawing of the. So I can just show you. So like we have to do also do on the same line, so we will have an idea.
Yeah, tell me something. You used one word out here that you give this to your foundation student. But where are the foundation students? Do we have foundation as well?
I teach in the college, na foundation.
INFID only, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We
So
have
do
a
we-
subject, foundation subject we have, no, for
Have a
the
subject in the
freshly
first
came
level.
students. For 2 months, we teach them foundation, basics of all foundation. So we call
Acha, okay.
freshers. So it's interiors. For us, it's like interiors have their foundation and fashion also have their foundation. Like that.
Okay, I got it. Okay, so basically foundation of the individual disciplines.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes.
That's what I was wondering, that what am I doing out here? If you people are already have the foundation, then मतलब मैं क्या
No,
कर रहा
but
हूँ यहाँ पे?
we take in a different manner. What you
अच्छा,
told now, all these assignments, they are very, very different. These assignments match to my type of foundation, not the.
अच्छा.
It's
So what?
changed a lot.
Okay,
Yeah,
I
the
understood.
syllabus has changed a lot. So accordingly.
I understood. So basically the foundation which I am taking, that is building the foundation of student, building the foundation
Yes,
with
yes,
the exposure
yes,
of all possible basic of design.
yes.
Okay, and basis on these, a student will sharpen his or her skills and then will be able to choose the respective discipline judicially.
Yeah, correct, sir. Very correct.
I think this is the one. This is the definition of me getting into, right?
Yes. Actually, this is there, but now we're like here. What happens is the students are already into like into the course of fashion. So we take all these things, all these elements and principles in fashion concept. So we introduce all this to in a fashion this thing.
Understood.
So I also had interiors this year. So I teach interiors, but I had introduced one assignment basic foundation. So I just wanted to show you if it's the same thing what we are doing, so I will understand it.
Please show me, please.
So I will WhatsApp.
Whichever way. I think this is. I can stop sharing now. Okay.
So this is the assignment what I gave them.
बिल्कुल सही है, absolutely perfect. This is the one.
So I gave them a 2-point perspective of any part of their
Shabash.
Their living. So anyone can pick a hall, a kitchen or something. So they did this and they did it very nicely. So I liked it. So are we going the same manner? Okay, fine.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
There is one more thing which you will be seeing. Right now, you are doing it. I mean, see why I wanted to have little this thing that you do the measurement from inside.
Okay.
But while you are drawing it, it from a bird's eye view.
Yeah.
So what is happening? You are taking the dimensions, and now you need to plot the dimensions. Visually. You need to plot it. Okay. While you are doing it, from the 3D view.
Yeah, exact with the exact measurements in the.
No, I would know. You cannot have the exact measurements. What will happen? It is something like a. If you remember very well, if you can recall, how did I tell you how to go about the cube? So there are 2-3 lines which I talked about. The very first one was the ground line, the baseline, right? And then I talked about the real height, the actual height line.
Yeah.
So called the height line. That is height line. When I said height line means that is the actual height line.
Yeah.
The actual height line happens to be the one which is the closest to you.
Okay. Yes.
The closest to you is the actual height line which you see it as, and basis on that height line, then your conversion point starts in either side, right? Okay. And both the points, which is like VP1 and VP2, they will be falling onto the same plane. I mean, same ground level. Okay. ऐसे नहीं होगा कि एक इधर है और एक इधर है, ऐसे नहीं. It will be at the same, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So the moment your height line is there, now I will just give you a small example. your room height is 10 feet. Okay. Just to make it a simpler side, I will say it as a 10 feet. Some has got 9.5, some has got 11, whatever.
Yeah.
Suppose it's 10 feet.
Hmm.
So the way we do the body division of our body, which is 7.5, right? So what we have done, 7 heads may divide here. Similarly, we will be dividing that main front line, the real height line, that will be getting divided into 10 divisions, right?
Yeah.
If you see your room's height of the door happens to be 7 feet. Correct? So what happens when you put all the lines, these are the construction line, which is very, very light. When you put it onto all the lines, which are getting converged at the VP1 and VP2. So what happens, these lines, which are like at one unit, they are actually making a grid for you. So basis on those grids, you can identify where your door and where your window is. And the height also, the dimension also will be coming more or less the same. I mean, visually, it will be more or less the same.
Yeah, agreed.
Take it, no?
Yep, sir.
Because I'm asking you to make the perspective, not the isometric.
Exactly. I
Okay.
got it. Yeah, this was the main, not confusion, but I wanted to know, like, the isometric will have equal things and perspective will have that point which is vanishing. So that
vanishing point. So I told you, there are 4.
Yeah.
I told you, these are 4 basic tools, and that's what is the difference between these 4 basic tools. Can I do the ये क्लास ले लूं मैं, सबका सरप्राइज टेस्ट ले लूं सब लोगों का? अब मैंने बोल ही दिया तो फिर सरप्राइज किस बात का है? पूछ लो वो जो खबरदार जो किसी ने भी नीचे देखने की कोशिश की है अपने गूगल या कहीं पे, सब मेरी साइट पर देखेंगे. पहले तो ये बताओ, व्हाट आर दीज 4 विजुअलाइजेशन टूल्स? देखते हैं अभी. बिलीव मी, मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगेगा अगर आप लोग को ये अगर कहीं वो हुआ तो, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है आप सब लोगों के साथ उस वाले चैप्टर में. There are 4 basic tools of visualization. बताओ. अरे एक तो बताइए, 2 तो बता ही दिए यार.
सब पर्सपेक्टिव, isometric view, axonometric view, and orthographic view.
शाबाश. Thank you very much all you people, जिसने भी बोला है. ठीक है, ओके, ग्रेट. अब इन चारों में बिल्कुल डिफरेंस चाहिए. ये है, ये है, ये है, ये है. चारों, ये नया धूपिया है, ये है, ये मतलब चारों का अलग अलग जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है बिल्कुल अलग अलग, कोई मर्ज नहीं होंगे. बेसिक उनका जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, ऑल 4 ऑफ देम आर विजुअलाइजेशन टूल. बस ये बेसिक्स है. ठीक है. हाँ, आप बताइए. हाँ, बताइए मिशा, प्लीज.
Isometric is when we use 30-degree angle.
ओके, ठीक है.
Axonometric is something
30 डिग्री एंगल कहाँ पर? राइट हैंड साइड पे या लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर?
both sides.
अच्छा, बोथ साइड्स पे. ओके, आई थॉट कि राइट एंड लेफ्ट पे कहीं पे. ठीक है, ओके. On both sides. Okay, ठीक है.
Axonometric is something where we take 45-degree angle.
Okay.
And 1-point perspective is when we have one vanishing point.
Okay.
And 2-point perspective is where we have 2 vanishing points, 2 VPs.
Okay, and 3-point perspective?
3 points.
And 6-point वाले में क्या होता है?
वो आपने बताया.
5 वाला तो बताया मैंने. 5 वाला तो मैंने बताया. मैंने बिल्कुल बताया 5 वाला. 5 वाला बताया, 4 वाला बताया. मुझे पता है, I know that.
First angle and third angle projection बताया था वो ऑर्थोग्राफिक में.
छोड़ दो उससे. 4 and 5 वाले में क्या होता है? 5-point perspective. मैंने एक बहुत क्लियर चीज बताई थी आप लोगों को कि it is not usually used in the architecture or in the design, उसमें. ये usually कहाँ पे use होते हैं? They are mostly used in the comic strips. They are mostly used in the animations. If you remember, मैंने याद है एक सर्कल सा दिखाया था. एक सर्कल में से ऐसे एक अंदर को जा रही है, कुछ सारे के सारे प्रोजेक्ट इनसाइड कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत ही अलग टाइप की एक शेप आई थी. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Curvilinear.
Curvilinear. Thank you very much, Sarika. Thank you very. Curvilinear is the one. It's a curvilinear perspective, okay? तो क्या खास बात है perspective में? What is ये 1.2 point के नाम से पता लग रहा है, but what is
freehand drawing, sir? It's a freehand drawing.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
Vanishing points are there. Vanishing
Thank you very
lines
much.
and
Vanishing points. With vanishing points.
Thank you very much. This is the one. Vanishing point. यही है. और अगर आप देखोगे एक्सोनोमेट्री में, आइसोमेट्री में कहीं पर भी वैनिशिंग पॉइंट नहीं होता. These are parallel lines. ठीक है ना? What happens in the orthography? एक और है ना ऑर्थोग्राफिक, वो क्या है?
it is 2D mainly.
नहीं 2D तो आप पेपर के ऊपर रख रहे हैं तो उसका मतलब वो भी तो 2D पेपर के ऊपर है. मैं तो कोई मॉडल थोड़ी बना रहा हूँ उसका, मैं विजुलाइज करा रहा हूँ. It is something else. 2D में क्या? 2D means what?
Top
When you are
view,
saying
side view and front view.
okay, ठीक है.
And
So
with a 45-degree angle.
With the projection lines, sir.
Projection lines and 45-degree angle.
नहीं वो 45 डिग्री एंगल को अभी उसको छोड़ देते हैं वो, बिकॉज नॉट नेसेसरी. विदाउट 45 डिग्री एंगल आल्सो यू कैन गेट द साइड व्यू. ओके, यू जस्ट टेक द कंपास एंड उसी को लेके आप नीचे घुमाते रहेंगे. ओके, यू विल गेट प्रोजेक्टेड ऑन द बेस. दैट्स नॉट एन इशू. सो 45 डिग्री इज नॉट द मेन. सो मेन व्हाट यू सी इन द ऑर्थोग्राफी इज दैट इट्स अ सरफेस ड्राइंग. Whatever you are seeing, whatever सामने, okay, it's exact surface, right? But you are in the center here, exactly in the center. So there is no perspective, nothing. It's just a flat image which you are getting. There are 2 views, there are 3 views. Depending upon the complexity of the product, you define your views. You can have the bottom view, you can have the left side view, right side view, top, all of them. But कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है, you will be having just maybe one drawing itself. Top view. Suppose you are having a plate which has got a thickness of 10 mm and the diameter is say 1 inch. So just make the top view, put the center line. I told you what is center line. Put a center line. Oh, please, you can put a center line, and then you just given the leader, so-called the leader in the notes, saying this is a disc with the height of 10 centimeter or 10 mm, whatever it is, 10 mm, and diameter happens to be the 1 inch or 25 mm. Good enough. It communicates very well. Don't have to make all the drawings, all the sides. So that's what I said. It's a depending upon the complexity of the product, you show the drawings. Now, what is the one very tricky thing in this orthography? Something which makes it so-called as an orthography. And when it is called front view, top view, side view.
The projection line.
Huh?
Projection line.
नहीं, projection line तो सब में ही होता है.
Height is not seen.
कहाँ पर नहीं दिखता? क्यों नहीं दिखता? ऑर्थोग्राफी में आपको दिखता है हाइट. क्या बात कर रहे हो? आपको फ्रंट व्यू में दिखता नहीं है, साइड व्यू में दिखता तो आपको.
In top view we can't see the height.
हाँ, तो क्या है? तो डेफिनेशन क्या है? तो डेफिनेशन ये है ऑर्थोग्राफी में, as I said, top view में you always will see the realistic length and the width. You will not be able to see the height. Clear?
Right.
In front view, you will be seeing either the width or the length, and anyone, either length or the width, and realistic height. In the side view, either you will see the width or the length, anyone, and the realistic height. Clear? And combination of these two put together, that comes as an isometric view. That's what we put it together for the visualization purpose. Clear? Is it clear? If you remember, there was one very important thing which I told you. Very, very important. What is isometric view? isometric view is nothing, but it is the axonometric view, the subset of axonometric. Do you remember that?
Hmm.
Do you remember that? That it is a subset of axonometry only. What is axonometry? Which happens on the 45-degree angle. And I showed you one very good example that the architect, how he puts his drawing on the 45-degree angle, right? Which is the realistic. That is the correct drawing. That's the realistic drawing. But it looks very skewed. It looks skewed. So just to get onto the optimization, something which looks realistic and which does not look skewed as well. So can we come at some angle, and finally with the permutation and combination, with a test and try, we came up on 30-degree angle on either side. On either side, when we came on to 30-degree angle, that angle was the most optimized angle, where the object looked quite realistic. It is the best position of perspective and the axonometry, the center, so-called the isometry, which is 30-degree, 30-degree. It got accepted so widely and so welcomed across the world that because of its significance and its strength, visual strength, it itself was given a nomenclature called the isometry of 30-degree. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? तो ये है जो I thought. Good. सारे लोग पास हो गए भी, क्या बात है? ठीक है, चलो. Good, good, very good. So let's do one thing. This is something from my side. Up now, I have next 20. कितना time है? I've got next 30 minutes, precisely 30 minutes, and I will take some of the exercises which was done by you people in the last session. So let's see. Okay, quickly, let me just go to the.
So sorry, they are PDFs. I was unable to do it on one format in the drive. So I was like, I've sent 2 separate PDFs for both the things, the poster also and this also. If you want, I can share my screen. It's ready on my screen. You will see them together.
पता नहीं, देखते हैं कि मेरे लिए है क्या?
हाँ हाँ, मतलब you need to download it. That's it.
नहीं, ये मेरे लिए था क्या?
मतलब?
फंक्शन पीडीएफ करके आरती गुप्ता, ये आपने मेरे लिए भेजा है
मेरा
क्या?
है मेरा है सर.
अच्छा, ये आपका है. ओके. अच्छा, आरती, अरे यार, आरती गुप्ता है, आरती है, सॉरी. अरे ये रोटेट नहीं होता क्या?
सर होगा, पीडीएफ में रोटेशन है. दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड, लाइक इट वाज माय मिस्टेक एक्चुअली. वो एक पीडीएफ में मैंने सेव करना चाहिए था, वो अलग-अलग हो गए एक्चुअली. सो दैट इज व्हाई द प्रॉब्लम इज हैपनिंग.
तो अभी मैं क्या करूं, इसको बंद करूं मैं? ओके, लेट मी जस्ट.
या चलेगा, इफ यू वांट. आई हैव रेडी विद द.
प्लीज हां, प्लीज बुक करो आप, बिकॉज़ मेरे तो गर्दन टूट जाएगी ऐसे. ठीक है,
नहीं, इट्स रेडी ऑन माय स्क्रीन. आई विल डू इट.
ठीक है. Okay, good.
Okay, this was the mind.
Good.
The thing. So
you created a brief for you.
Yeah, it's like a brief, like what I am going to design. So it's on that day.
Okay, ठीक है.
And then this is the poster design. I've made two, sir. Two
Hmm.
versions. One will be little minimal, like a ad kind of a stuff for my own classes for the poster, and then the other one will be with the details. So I made two options.
Hmm. So what software did you use?
Sir, Corel Draw. I'm good at Corel Draw only. That too, some tools I forget. I need to practice a lot. That is the worst part I experienced. I took 3 hours to do this simple thing because I didn't knew the tools properly.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. So you imported the image, this the one which is there of the, you imported like
Yeah. The image is as it is. On the right hand side, this one has been like properly done, like with the gradient and all, which is worked properly. And this is the very simple one, which was as it is the image, and only this things has been created. The logo is created by me. The logo design.
Just I understood how you've done it. That's good. I mean, no, I'm liking it the way you have used all these tools, you know. So that's interesting. Okay, so first of all, your approach is quite good. Okay, the one which is like, you know, creating the brief around, like in your poster, what all you need to look at. Okay, before you. So once you do that, so it is like a bare, it's like a skeleton which you are making, you know, and it will be easy for you to wrap the skeleton around in order to have a correct shape. If your skeleton is correct. Okay. So that's a wireframe, if I say. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this case, your first, what do you want me to see first? What are you, I mean, what is, just, you need to explain me this poster first. Why the left one, why the right one?
Okay, and sir, as I said, like I like both of them. It's just the matter of the content. Like one picture has all the content, and the other is very minimalistic with just knowing, focusing on the picture and focusing on the tagline which is there. Like anyone can learn to draw. And how can you do that? Is you need to log on, or you need to visit the website over here. So this is the basic concept what I was thinking. But if it was not workable for some like people, so for more details I did one more which is in the little color format. A color orange for a reason, because it's fresh and it attracts people. I think like it's more of a, you know, like people find it fresh to see something. So I took like if I want to have a version in a color form, like a better one, so this was the better with the detail with all the posters. So you don't need to like, you know, if some person is not interested to log in and see what I am teaching, so this is the all shortcut for them to, you know, like, okay, this will be the scenario when we logged into a site. So I want you to see first at the tagline and then the skeleton, what this is, and then all after that the content, all the content last.
I don't know, if you ask me my personal opinion, it's a subjective choice, okay?
Yeah, sure.
My subjective choice is right side one.
This one.
Yeah, the right side one. No,
okay,
right
this one.
Yeah, this I like this one.
Okay, yeah.
It's a subjective because it looks.
Yes, sir. That's what I said.
To me, it looks little less cluttered. Okay, more of a justification to the negative space. Okay. And if you see underneath that online illustration class, more info at blah blah blah, all these things, it is like a one group. So in the group there are two groups. One is more info at, there's a very clear communication, and then online illustration class at, which is Aarti, whatever A that is written.
Yeah. It's a website. Yeah.
It's a website. Okay, so these two, and anyone can learn how to draw.
Yes.
Okay, so clear cut. So the something is got to do out here with the coaching classes where you are teaching this. And for the more info, clear, come here and I will give you all the information. And you have already given online illustration classes.
Perfect. Yep.
Now, which consists of your curious drapings, faces, shading, hairstyle, all that. But this you are already covering in your website.
Yes.
Okay, so I don't have to see it out here.
Okay.
So illustration classes,
Mm-hmm.
you already communicated the online illustration classes that you're a person of the illustration, and on top also you are saying anyone can learn and how to draw. Even I can learn. Okay.
Yeah.
So and
Yeah.
then more info at underneath.
Okay. Okay, sir.
ठीक है ना, तो ये मुझे मतलब I this is making much more sense to me. Just one thing I would rather say that your logo, your this image can go little towards the left, little that image,
Okay.
little, little towards the left, little.
Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
what happens? Your some kind of a balance which will get created out here in the right hand
Okay.
side, on the left hand side. Okay.
Okay. I'll make sure that like
Little, not much, little of it. Okay. You can do the maybe bigger and the smaller of the scale. Let's see how it works. I don't know. I'm just because the one which is like a this area which is like a this drooling kind of an area, underneath this some like a rain kind of stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Very interesting pattern actually.
Okay, sir.
Just have to look into it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
if I were you, I would always like to have my logo to be on the top. Okay.
Yeah, actually it is, but I wanted to focus on this tagline. So if I would have done this groupism on the top and this like over here, so I found that, like this will be more catchy than the tagline which I want to show. So that's why I showed the logo on like, on the bottom for that reason.
That's fine. See, you are being too sober. You are being too humble. Actually, not
Yeah.
sober. You are being too humble. That's okay. But usually, people they want their logo to be get noticed at first when your eye moves. So you would if I were you, I would like to have my this online wala logo on the top.
Okay.
And is it really required to have the underlying online illustration classes? Because online and illustration classes both become separate then somehow.
Okay.
I hope you are getting.
Yes, sir. Yes.
There's no point of the moment you are putting the line online underneath. Okay, so it is making it different from the illustration classes. So it is very clear. Online is one thing. Okay, there will be illustration classes, and I'm telling you one thing very clearly. It's online. Online, it can be gamble, it can be online dance, it can be anything. Illustration classes one, online, open to my visualization.
Okay.
More info at. More info at. Do I have to go up there to the A where the logo is, or do I have to go down where the WW is written? Because you are making, I don't know, I'm just giving you an example because I like the left wala treatment much better that ways.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Take it, na?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, good, but it's good one. I can see some, good improvement.
How to stop this?
There is a stop niche aayega na?
Yes. I was figuring it out. Yeah.
So that's good. I can see a drastic difference from the last exercise, and this exercise. So I can see the way all the things have been, at least you're trying on the same lines. That's good. Good. Keep it up. Okay. Next. Okay. So Ipshita says New Delhi Book Fair itna. Good. Ipshita, where are you? Are you there, Ipshita?
She's not here, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe we can take somebody else's work.
Okay. Okay. But I can see the improvement. I can see there are some elements have been put together out here. Nicely done. It's okay. कैसे करेंगे? Swati. Okay. Swati?
Yes, sir. I'm here. So just a dream workshop, maybe.
You know that why I'm smiling, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, sorry, you cannot see me, but I can, yeah.
Yeah. So it's just yeah, I would love to have him for a workshop in our institute. So something just a imaginative one. Yeah.
Yeah. This, by the way, I will tell you this person who's there, Vijay Kumar. He's a he's a very he's a good friend. But please can you just go away? Huh. Huh. Just a minute.
You all can watch him on Creative Indians on Netflix. There is this new episode which has come along with Nawazuddin Siddiqui and I think Radhika Apte. He's there. So it's a very interesting episode. I think everyone should watch it. And I do ask my students also to watch it. It's quite inspiring. So yeah. So over to you, sir. What, sir, you want to speak about him?
So basically, this Vijay is is a dear friend, okay, and his wife is even more talented. But I mean, not even more, but she is another level of talent, okay. So she is a belly dancer, okay, and she runs her own academy. An amazingly enthusiastic girl, okay, amazing. They're very, very good friend of mine, both of them. Lovely people. And Vijay himself is like one bundle of so-called talent, amazing person. Okay, so if you ever get a chance, must browse through his work. And Deepika's as well. Her name is Deepika, like his wife's name is Deepika Vijay. Amazing, very graceful girl, very, very great. And the way she's running the entire academy, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, good. Anyway, so this is one part. So let's talk about something else. Okay,
I had a very rough one which I've done on paper, so I just put it on PPT with the keywords.
Okay, so what you wanted to show in this poster making, the workshop, Diwali exhibition, sustainability, digital, whatever, what all were you doing all this?
No, the first one, I was thinking about what poster to make for. So I was thinking about recent events coming. So last year we had a Diwali exhibition when we were having physical class, but this year it's not happening. So I had a few options which we generally do. Then right now we're talking a lot about calling industrial experts to come over and do an online workshop for our students. So I thought the focus could be more for that. And that's when I arrived on digital illustration workshop, which could be done online. So then why him, Creative Indians in Netflix, that's a show which I've made my student watch. So if he comes over, it'll be like a celebrity. And he has done a lot of movies also, like creatives for the movie posters and design. So this is from a Malayalam movie called Solo. It was also done in Tamil. So there is this 5 earth forms that he have drawn, like water, fire, 5 the Panchabuddhas, so he has done these drawings. So I wanted to give an impact with the poster with his own work so that the students can relate to it. And of course his picture and a little write-up about, I looked up about him in LinkedIn, and he's a storyteller, an artist, an avant-garde illustrator, so, and basic details like date, time, and tune in via Zoom, of course, considering the current situation.
Fine. Anyways, so let's do one thing. Getting on to the tab poster now. So see, there are two things which I see. I mean, emphasis is going where. First of all, you want to give this. You want to emphasize on Vijay, or you want to emphasize on the illustrations. Number one. Okay. So if you say the illustration is fine. You can reduce the image of Vijay a little bit because that's big.
Size.
Yeah, that is becoming too big. Because
Okay.
as it is, the person himself is so known guy, okay, that everyone would like to go and see what kind of work he's into. Then they will figure it out. And anyway, they are coming. Who is he?
Yeah.
They will get to see it. So there's no need of, unless someone wants to marry him, that is a different part. Okay.
Okay.
So this is one way.
Yeah.
The second is, INFID, which is underneath. Okay, so I would rather have this, like if you say it, it will be like a flow for me, from top left to right. And this Vijay Kumar, which you have written, I might take it on the right hand side. Might.
Okay.
I don't know. But maybe. I'm not sure. Okay, I might. And I will, if you see in the entire poster what is happening, underneath all this INFID, everything, it is getting towards the edge. So there is no
Okay.
gap, the visual relaxation is not there.
Okay. Okay.
It is
fine.
almost like touching the bottom.
Okay.
I told you that you need to work with the negative space. Negative, believe me, people who work on negative space, you see, okay, when you open the site Google, what do you see?
See the search and empty space.
Correct.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
all what you see, just complete white all around, one search space and the Google. That's it.
Yes.
It brings your all the attention in the center.
Yeah.
So the negative space has been used very beautifully. That's what it is to be done out here.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is looking too cluttered.
Hmm.
You're getting a point?
Yes.
Because
Yes,
the
yes.
way the INFD, HSR layout, blah, 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 the entire thing is still here, till almost like bottom. So, बहुत ज़्यादा उसका text हो रहा है. You
Okay.
can do it, but the spacing, kerning, वो सबको देखना पड़ेगा. Like I will tell you, INFID HSR layout presents के बाद digital illustration workshop. You don't have to give the this thing gap. Presents के बाद, no need.
Okay.
Because this itself is good enough. HSR layout presents digital visual workshop. It's one very clear communication by small and
Okay.
then Vijay Kumar, whatever the name which you've given. Take care.
Okay.
After that, then what is the date? 30th of October. Okay, date, time. You and tune in via Zoom. अब Zoom को जो है आपको थोड़ा बड़ा कर सकते हैं in case you चाहो, because you are saying Zoom.
Okay.
You're emphasizing on Zoom right now.
Okay.
Okay. Then for all the batches, okay, ID and FD. So why ID and FD? I think you are having these two batches only, I guess. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. No. Yeah.
No, no.
Only idea. Yes.
If you are already having these two batches, it means it is open for all.
Okay.
Okay. And I don't know, maybe, or is it really required for all the batches?
No, in that case, I don't have to put that at all.
And I think it is not required, because people who are interested, they definitely will be coming, irrespective of which batch they are from, right?
Yeah.
So I think you can cut down this information which is not required.
Yes.
Then you underneath you say that Vijayamachar arch, okay, art, whatever it is. Okay, so you are saying that. Let's do one thing. I don't think whether it is to be put there or not. I'm not sure. The reason is because you are promoting you.
Okay.
Okay, not to him.
Okay.
When you are saying promoting you, means you are asking students to come as much as possible to participate in this workshop.
Okay.
Right? Because if they already have gone through this, what is it called? This Instagram or whatever, they might not come.
Okay.
It is good for Vijay to promote him on his website. All these, not for you. You want students to come.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope you got it. What I'm trying to say.
Yes. Now, my whole idea of putting Instagram, anybody who's not familiar with can, before attending the workshop, can go through his work and get an idea of. Yeah, that was my idea. So, but
correct.
Yeah.
No. Maybe you are right. Maybe you actually are right. Because this is my thought. So you are correcting me right now. You might like to ask 10 people and say, shall I or shall I not? Because you are right. Now you change my perspective. Of course, I would like to go through who this person is. But is it really worth spending 1 hour for me or 2 hours for me to spend on this person or not?
Yeah.
So if I go through some work, so I say, okay, kick-ass work, I must meet this guy. And then I definitely will come. No, that's a good thought. Actually a good thought. But my only submission was that it should not be looking like that you are promoting him. You are promoting his event in order to bring maximum people out here. That was the intention. But if this happens to be a tool for fetching more crowd, then you can use it.
Okay, sir.
Then you should use it. ठीक है ना?
Yes, yes.
ठीक है. Then somehow I feel the one which is on the right hand side, this image which is not required, because you already have given on the top the one illustration, which is fantabulous, that Shiva or whatever, you know, that Raja. So you already, huh?
No, it was looking very empty. So that's why I put at the very last moment thing. Yeah, I think once I make his image smaller and rearrange a little bit, I think even that area would get.
I told you, no, I told you this also, no, like, yes, maybe you, I don't know, you might like to see the empty space, how you are utilizing it, or since this is the this happens to be the this workshop of INFID, I would rather have INFID on the top right hand side, a little bigger.
Okay, yeah.
ठीक है ना?
Yes.
This bottom side now, it is usually used for the sponsors and all.
Okay. Yeah.
ठीक है?
Okay. I will do the changes.
I hope you understand how the hierarchy
Yes,
is.
yes, yes, yeah. I got
Good.
it. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you,
ठीक है,
sir.
thank you very much.